Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo.
Hello po mga ate kuya Beshis, kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers natin at yung mga bago po nating viewers ni Leo. Tignan po natin kung ano yung enerhiya na or message na mapipick up po natin ngayon sa pagbasa na to. We have the Fool, the Four of Pentacles, the Page of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Nine of Pentacles. Bottom niya is the Devil. Okay, Leo. So, yung card dito is the Devil, yung bottom card natin. This is an energy coming from a Capricorn. So, you might be dealing with a Capricorn o meron siyang Capricorn sa kanyang chart, Leo. Yung Devil energy kasi is something that is really toxic. Something that is addictive or possessive or may obsession. No? Yun yung mga masamang traits nito or binibigay nitong na kung gawa parang explanation kung bakit may ganitong energy. Lahat naman tayo nakaka-experience nito, no? One way or the other sa ating buhay na parang pinagdaanan natin yun na makaranas ng ganitong enerhiya. Maybe this is one of life's way to test, no? Kung ano na, saan ka na, kung matatag ka na ba o hindi pa. Madali ka ba bang ma-tempt, no? Yung matukso para gumawa ng mali. Ito ba ay isang bagay na hindi mo maalis-alis sa sistema mo? Kasi nagdudulot sa iyo ng kaligayahan. One way or the other. Okay? But you know, yung nagiging consequences nito, yung outcome, yung mangyayari, yung patapos, yung ending, alam mo kung ano meron. So, yung energy na to is with the Queen of Swords. Itong queen na to is somebody na talagang malamig. So this Capricorn person might be very cold sa'yo, Leo. Or it could be na ginagamit niya yung kanyang logic pagdating sa'yo. Isip, puro isip. Okay? At somehow, yung feeling na maging equal sa'yo, hindi nangyayari. Kasi this is an energy coming from a Libra. This Queen of Swords is an air sign. It might come from a Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. So, meron sila nito sa kanilang chart. And you wanted something that is balanced. No? Gusto mo yung maging balance with the King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles is an energy coming from a earth sign. So, pwedeng meron siyang Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn sa kanyang chart. And you wanted this stability. You wanted that security. Yung katatagan nung pakiramdam na relationship na to with the King of Pentacles. Gusto mo ng pantay at gusto mo may katatagan. That's why you're using your logic. And hopefully, you are avoiding itong mga toxic feelings na to, Leo. Okay? Now, with the Fool, this is an energy coming from an Aries. This is really taking that risk, no? Magsusugal ka. You will, hindi yung sugal na punta ka ng casino. No? I mean, yung magbabakasakali ka. That's what I wanted to say. Ito kasi yung energy na bahala na. Sige, gagawin ko na to. Yung magiging mapusok ka. Hindi ka masyadong magpaplano. Hindi mo masyado itong pag-iisipan. Susugod ka na lang at gagawin mo. You just go and move and take that leap of faith. Okay? Yung pag-take of leap of faith mo is something that you wanted for a long time to do. May gusto kang gawin. But something is stopping you. Something is stopping you to do it. Because you keep holding on. Keep holding on dito. Either to your person or this relationship or yung feelings. Because you wanted to receive a message from this person. Something that is exciting. Something that would give you that happiness. Yun yung hinahanap mo na o iniintay mo. That maybe that's why you're holding. You've been patiently waiting for this person to send you that message. But things are, moving. Wheel of Fortune. Umiikot ang gulong ng palad. Ayon sa iyong pabor. Kung yung dati, sabihin natin na if there's something to do with money, na ito pa lang ang pera mo, okay? Yung gawa, 4 pa lang yung barya mo, 4 pa lang yung pentacles. Umikot ang gulong. Nagbabago ang takbo ng hangin. Kaya ngayon, ikaw ay 9 of Pentacles na. From a 4 to a 9. This is a single person enjoying everything na lahat niyang pinaghirapan. Okay, so lahat ng kanyang pinaghirapan, ini-enjoy mo yon kasi sapat na yung meron ka. This is putting you into a situation na talagang there is enough money for you to get by sa buhay, that makes you to be independent. Masasabi mong kahit na you don't need a husband or a boyfriend or somebody to support you kasi kaya mo na on your own. This is really living on your own and enjoying life kasi kaya mo financially you can afford na. Dati wala ka masyadong pera, pero ngayon dahil nagbago ang hihip ng buhay, umikot ito sa pabor mo. Kaya naging masagana ka na, Leo. Okay? So, tignan natin. Yung pag-take ng leap of faith, whatever that decision was, kung ano man yung career path na tinake mo o trabaho, it helped you. It helped you to ascend. Kasi dati, ito pa lang ikaw, konti pa lang ang pera mo, but you made the decision to go ahead and pursue whatever you wanted. Kaya, it made you happy. Naging masaya ka, natuwa ka sa natanggap mong mensahe na ito. We have the Queen of Swords. Again, we have the Devil. We have the King of Wands. We have the Knight of Wands. We have the 5 of Wands. And the Emperor. Bottom is the 7 of Cups. Leo, may pinag-iisipan ka. Things are not clear because maybe you don't know where to go o anong decision o anong pipiliin, anong gagawin, anong next move. para magkaroon ng new beginning. Something that would push you to do something na talagang would start a new passionate beginning. And it has something to do with relationships. Something to do maybe with a marriage. No, isang tungkol sa iyong relationship sa iyong asawa or maybe a relationship na parating pa lang. Or relationship na you have right now. Okay? So you are thinking about that. Maybe you wanted to make a decision, no? Basically, this is really making that decision. Ano nang gagawin ko para magkaroon ako ng panibagong pag-uumpisa passionately? Because sa ngayon nga, I am using my logic. I want to take that leap of faith because I wanted to find out, no? Gusto ko malaman kung ano nang mangyayari. If I would take this risk, maybe if there's somebody na iniisip ko, ano mangyayari? I wanted to find the truth within me o do sa person ko kung ano talaga yung sitwasyon. Sabi ko nga, maybe because dito kasi konti pa lang yung pera mo or you're trying to hold on to this feeling or to this relationship because this is something that you feel close to, no? Merong certain attraction, there's certain obsession na nakadikit dito sa pakiramdam na to with the Four of Pentacles. Hindi mo ma-let go eh. You just couldn't let it go. Hindi mo siya maalis. Hindi mo basta makalimutan o talikuran kung ano man ito, no? Something very addictive. Kaya nga eh, 'di ba? Kung titingnan mo, if you look these two cards, holding tightly, ayaw mong i-let go. No? Ayaw mong i-let go. And that is something very controlling, something very addictive, something that is, kung gaba toxic. If this is something to do with a person, you are so attracted to this person, hindi mo siya makalimutan. Okay? For whatever reason. Something to do with money, you are so obsessed with your money na hindi, kailangan mas dumami pa to. If you're obsessed with certain parang vice o sabihin natin na may ginagawa kang bisyo, hindi mo maalis. It could be like addict ka sa gyosi, no? You're a smoker. Hindi mo maalis. Addict ka sa pag-iinom. You're an alcoholic. Hindi mo maalis. Addict ka sa pagsusugal. No, hindi mo maalis. Addict ka sa pangbababae o panglalaki. Hindi mo maalis. That is something na I'm trying to express dito, Leo. But of course, you wanted na magkaroon ng pagbabago. That's why lumabas dito yung Wheel of Fortune. And hearing this message makes you happy kasi alam mong mayroong pag-asa. There is this opportunity to have that change. Kasi with the Knight of Wands, alam mong magkakaroon ng pagbabago. Something na talagang magdudulot sa'yo ng kaligayahan. Something that would be fun, though hindi siya natin masasabi na pangmatagalan kasi nga nakadikit yung devil dito sa Knight of Wands, which is again something that is not really good kasi yung Knight of Wands in itself is something na in and out, hindi siya nag-stay for long, hindi siya permanent, hindi siya consistent, and katabi pa niya yung devil, so it means na talagang ang kadikit nito is something na talagang hindi mabuti. Kaya kung gabay, you're being thankful kasi things are changing, with the wheel of fortune. God or the universe is looking at you and kung gaba parang tinitingnan niya mabuti yung sitwasyon mo, kung ano yung dapat nang mabago. Kasi ayaw mo na ng gulo. You don't want any more conflict. Ayaw mo na ng hirap. Ayaw mo na ng intriga. Ayaw mo na ng kompetisyon. For you, it's tama na. No? Enough is enough. That's why you're asking na sana maging masagana na ako. For me to be abundant. And be secure. And talagang alam mo yung confident, determined, and really up to my game, up to my par. Na ma-meet ko yung tamang tao that would truly love me if it's something to do with love. Or I would reach this kind of stability o yung status na talagang napaka-tatag ko as a person. Hindi lang financially but also very strong as an individual. Marami kasing pwedeng i-discuss dito sa cards mo, Leo, but take it as it resonates. Things are really, kung gaba parang I could see na nag-start ka sa isang sitwasyon o pangyayari o bagay na medyo alinlangan ka pero nag-isip ka na gusto mong gawin ito, magte-take ako ng risk. And kahit na alam mong nahihirapan ka na alsin ito sa iyong sistema pero ginawa mo lahat, kasi malakas yung temptation, but nagkaroon ng pagbabago. God have blessed you to have this change and to remove all this conflict in your life. Kaya you will be having all of this parang blessing of being abundant, as a single person, and hopefully meet yung person mo na talagang possesses this very attractive qualities as an emperor. Yung somebody na talagang mature, may estado, na talagang would take care of you. This person is maybe a boss, yung tipong ganun, na alam mong secure ka. So, yun yung nakikita ko, na gaganda ang buhay mo. You're heading towards that beautiful life, something that is very secure. So, tingnan natin kung ano pa yung message na gusto sa'yo sabihin. We have purpose. I know what I'm here to do. Yes. May purpose ka rito, Leo. Gawin mo yon. Worry. I am learning that worry doesn't change an outcome. Talaga naman Diba? Kapag nag-worry tayo, hindi naman magbabago yung magiging kahit-kahitnan. Adversity. I accept that challenges are the best way to learn. Yeah. Ito yung, alam mo yung mga pagsubok, adversity, mga pagsubok na dinadaanan natin. Ito yung pinakamagandang paraan para ka matuto. Huwag mo siyang, ibig sabihin, kung ito'y dadating sa buhay mo, embrace mo, tanggapin mo. Binibigay ito sa'yo ni God because gusto ka lang niyang matuto. Gusto ka niyang tumatag. Maging matatag sa sarili, sa buhay, para for you to grow, mas lalo ka mag-mature. Kasi yun yung makakatulong sa'yo sa future. You know? Yun yung makakatulong sa'yo sa future mo para magkaroon ka ng wish fulfillment. No? Matupad mo lahat ng gusto mo na mangyari sa buhay mo. Huwag kang matakot dyan. Don't worry about it. Because things will be okay. Right? So I hope na nakatulong ito sa'yo, Leo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.